Every day we get taught by the specialists of the topic, so that's like, I could have went to a field school at home, but I would have seen the same teacher for a week.
There it is.
One of the major things is how much I am fundamentally understanding concepts that I've always known and we've been taught throughout the years, but I'm really grasping a good understanding of things.
You have hypotenuse, you want adjacent, and you have theta.
Yeah, it's been a super amazing experience. It's been great to meet students from all over Canada.
To be among the top students in the programs across Canada, that's amazing too. It's a completely different environment.
All of our programs are slightly different and have different focuses, so we've been teaching each other and learning from each other too.
I was soiled actually. I have a sweater.
Well, it also smells slightly moldy. Maybe there's some fungus and stuff.
It's definitely exceeded my expectations, and we're only on day 7, so there's a lot more to come.
A good variety of information from a lot of experts in a broad range of the whole industry.
We just got back from a really cool boat ride and did some sediment sampling in the lake.
I mean, the experience is very well-rounded. They're teaching us everything, which is great. Like, we really need that.
The radar over there.
Geophysics, geochemistry, we've got to see actual drill sites. It's been a pretty comprehensive experience so far.
One more time. Every day, man, you meet people, they make you think about stuff. Like, I don't know. I don't want to know where I'm going to end up, but I'm surely taking this as an opportunity and to see different sides of the business for sure.
I'm just so happy to be here because it's been amazing so far.